we just got Chica Funko Snaps. On the back, you can see that there is an endo head, some cool parts, including Freddy's hat, and a table. Okay, let's open. Hey, knock it out. Come on, Chica. And you're free. Oh. So this is the set. Oh, that's so cool. There's like Foxy's eye. That's Chica's. Let's take you out, Chica. Go, Carl. We have this, which has Freddy's head and some like endo parts. That's cool. I have to figure out how to get this table out. It worked. Just cut that little tiny corner. Now pop out. And finally, come on, endo head, you look so cool. Come on, be free. Get out of your plastic jail. Oh, well, it went far. Come on. Okay, we have everything. Now we need to set up. Yay! We have Chica right here holding. Hi, Carl. He looks kind of grumpy. We have the endo head, which I think is awesome. Let's look at Chica. I love how she has these cute little tiny toes. The feet are really detailed, I feel like. Carl looks hilarious. And I love how they even add the little confetti and let's eat. That seems like it would be really difficult to do, but they definitely pulled it off and it looks so cool. And then I like how they actually got the eye color correctly, because some of the Funko's merchandise doesn't, which is slightly annoying, but it's still awesome. I love how they added Freddy's hat in this giant box of just random stuff, like the endo parts and stuff. I think that's cool. And then one of the funniest parts I thought about this whole entire thing is this. You can get a table, put a head or anything on it, and it just spins. And it can just do that, and I think that's really funny. And I also love how you can actually put the faces on here like that. I think it's really cool. I chose the black one with the kind of messed up endo mouth right there. Oh, Chica fell. Poor Carl. And I like how they did some for like Foxy and that. I think the eye colors are pretty funny. And then there's just a random bucket of eyes, which is funny, and then this creepy hand. Wonder if it's spring traps. I really like this set a lot, and I'm excited to combine it with my Golden Freddy set and my other FNAF snaps.